family is kind of food obsessed, so when we arrived in Verona, I booked our kids into an Italian cooking school. The La Soffritta gelati making experience is a must for families. Chef Max was brilliant with the kids. His English was perfect and his patience even better. The experience was 100% hands-on and our kids loved every minute. Together we made 3 gelato flavours from scratch: chocolate, vanilla and panna. We also had the opportunity to add yummy toppings. The class ran for 2 hours and we were lucky enough to have the place to ourselves. The classes can have up to 10 participants and you can book a private session. The cost was €25 per child and $55 per adult. Clearly, we loved it. Our kids loved it so much they begged the chef to let them come back for the adult class the next day. Drunk on gelati, he and we agreed. So back we came the following day for a 3-hour class on tagliatelle, risotto and tiramisu. Chef Christina was a delight. The kids just adored her. She taught us all the tricks to making the perfect pasta dough. Again, everything was made from scratch. The kids were asked to participate in all aspects, and it made me realise how much I'd been underestimating their usefulness in the kitchen. From chopping onions and veggies, to making dough and rolling it, to stirring hot pots. They did it all. We shared the experience with another big family. The larger class size didn't reduce the enjoyment of the experience at all. The food was delicious. We created Napoli tagliatelle, Amareno risotto for the adults, and Parmesan risotto for the kids, and of course tiramisu. A year later, our kids still talk about this class, and I'm super proud to say we still make homemade pasta regularly. These meals have become some of our favourite dishes to prepare together as a family. I booked this experience through Airbnb Experience, my new favourite part of Airbnb. I've included the links below and on our blog. Happy travels!